We often think of parties as just about music and dancing, but did you know that the food you serve can make or break the celebration? In today's video, we'll take you on a culinary journey around the world to explore 10 popular party-ready dishes that are sure to impress your guests and add a global flair to your next gathering. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know which dish you're most excited to try. Whether you're hosting a casual get-together or a fancy soiree, these dishes are guaranteed to be crowd pleasers. Let's get started. When it comes to party food, few dishes are as universally loved as nachos from Mexico. A true party classic, crispy tortilla chips are piled high with melted cheese, jalapenos, guacamole, salsa, and sometimes meat or beans for an extra burst of flavor. Perfect for sharing and endlessly customizable, nachos are a crowd pleaser that suits any gathering, transitioning from the bold flavors of Mexico. We head to Japan for sushi rolls, a dish that brings elegance and sophistication to any party spread. These bite-sized rolls, filled with fresh fish, avocado, cucumber, and rice wrapped in seaweed, are not only visually stunning but also a hit at gatherings. For something equally irresistible, but with a different texture, try pão de queijo from Brazil. These cheesy, gluten-free bread balls are warm, gooey, and downright addictive, perfect for snacking and guaranteed to disappear quickly at any Brazilian-style party. Moving across the Atlantic to Spain, we find tapas, a delightful way to enjoy a variety of flavors in one meal. Small plates like patatas bravas spicy potatoes, ham and iberico cured ham, and gambas al ajillo garlic shrimp are perfect for mingling and sharing, making them ideal for a lively party atmosphere. From Spain, we journey to India for samosas, crispy golden pastries filled with spiced potatoes, peas, or meat. Often served with tangy chutneys, these flavorful finger foods are a must-have addition to any party menu. Next, we head to the USA for sliders, the ultimate party snack. These mini burgers, whether made with classic beef, pulled pork, or veggie patties, are packed with flavor and always a hit with guests. For a lighter option, we turn to Dolma from Turkey and Greece, where stuffed grape leaves filled with seasoned rice and herbs and sometimes meat offer a healthy and refreshing Mediterranean touch. Similarly, spring rolls from Vietnam and China bring a light and crispy texture to the table, filled with shrimp, veggies, and rice noodles and served with sweet chili or peanut sauce. These rolls are a crowd favorite and easy to eat on the go. For something heartier, consider meat pies from Australia and the UK. These comforting snacks feature a flaky crust filled with minced meat and gravy, making them a delicious and satisfying option for any social gathering. Finally, we end our culinary journey in France with baked Brie, an elegant and indulgent dish that's sure to impress. Warm, gooey Brie cheese wrapped in puff pastry and served with fruit preserves or honey is the perfect way to elevate your party menu. Now that we've explored these 10 amazing dishes, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your party planning. One great approach is to mix and match dishes from different cultures to create a diverse and exciting menu. For example, pair nachos with sushi rolls and samosas for a global feast that offers something for everyone. To make your life easier, consider make-ahead options. Many of these dishes, like samosas and spring rolls, can be prepared in advance and reheated before serving, saving you time and reducing stress on the day of the party. For added fun, set up interactive stations like a nacho bar or a slider station where guests can customize their own creations. This not only engages your guests, but also adds a playful element to the event. Don't forget to pair your dishes with themed drinks. Serve margaritas with nachos, sake with sushi, or sangria with tapas to create a complete and immersive experience. Finally, don't overlook the finishing touches. Use colorful serving platters and bowls to make your dishes visually pop, and add small flags or labels to indicate the origin of each dish, giving your party an educational and cultural flair. to truly set the mood. Play music from the countries represented in your menu, creating an immersive atmosphere that transports your guests around the world. With these tips and dishes, your next party is sure to be a memorable and delicious celebration. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.